Hi, today we're going to look at user access on the Employee Training Manager. Let's jump in and take a look. Employee Training Manager has a range of user access permissions and hierarchical visibility. This ensures there's privacy for your valuable data. So let's navigate to the options icon. Over here on the side, you'll find User Access. This section shows you what different access and actions employees can perform on the platform. Right now, we've got 3 access levels set up, but you can add as many as you need and customize them for your teams. You might create some new roles like supervisor, manager, or safety advisor. And just a note, if you're the company admin, which you likely are if you're watching this video, you have full access to everything on the platform. There are certain things you probably don't want employees or others to be able to change, because the more hands that touch the data, the more likely it is to become inaccurate or corrupted. So take your time and be intentional when setting these permissions. That way, people can see and do only what they need to perform their role in Employee Training Manager, which helps protect your data integrity. There are 3 key areas where we recommend applying a high level of restriction: creating, editing, or deleting competencies and roles. These are core to your compliance structure. Without strict control, you risk duplication, data creep, and inconsistency across the platform. While Employee Training Manager allows employees to upload evidence of completed training, they should not be able to enter outcomes directly. A trained administrator should first review and validate the evidence before marking a competency as complete. Permissions should always reflect the employee's responsibility. Giving too much access leads to unnecessary errors and confusion. These are simple but important housekeeping practices to keep your system reliable, consistent, and audit-ready, giving you peace of mind. When you're done, simply click Save and Close. And that's it. Your settings are now applied. Now, how do you allocate someone to an access level? In the employee profile, you'll see a range of data fields. One of them is user access. Let's jump into Jeff's profile and take a look. Head to the employee list, then double-click on Jeff's name. That will open up his profile so you can view and edit the details. By default, Employee Training Manager sets users to the employee level, but it's easy to change. Just select a new access level from the drop-down menu. For example, we'll switch Jeff to HR. Once you click Save, Jeff will now have access to everything the HR access level allows. And just a quick note, if you double-click on an employee and nothing happens, it means you don't have the permission required to view or edit their profile. And that's it. You're one step closer to having your records clean, correct, and audit-ready. But we're just getting started. In the next video, I will show you how to create competencies and provide easy data entry solutions. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay audit-ready, stay compliant. Let Employee Training Manager do the heavy lifting.